This is finding the possible rational zeros using the rational zero test. So the rational zero test, I would recommend that you write down this entire slide. You want to pay particular attention to how to use the rational zero test. You're going to take the factors of the constant term divided by the factors of the leading coefficient. So here's an example. We give you a function in the blue, and we want you to identify two things: the leading coefficient, which in this case is 1, the constant, which is 6. You can ignore the signs if it's a positive or negative. So you're going to take the factors of 6, which is your constant. So it could be 6, 3, 2, 1, divided by the factors of the coefficient, which is just plus or minus 1, and now you divide it. 6 by 1, 3 by 1, 2 by 1, and 1 by 1. So you get a total of 8 different possibilities. Plus or minus 6, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 1. Remember, these are only possible zeros. If you want to prove it, you need to use synthetic division. I did take a little extra time here to type this function into my graphing calculator. The shape looks kind of like this. It kind of comes down and goes back up. Here's an x-intercept and an x-intercept. So I have an x-intercept of 2 and I have an x-intercept of -1. Those are my zeros of the function. So I have 2 and -1. If we look up here, there's one of them, and here's another. We could use synthetic division to prove that.